Hi and welcome back. In the previous episode, we introduced Policy Auditor, reviewed its key benefits, and explained how it helps organizations validate segmentation policies and improve security policy governance across hybrid environments. In this episode, we'll cover the configuration of Policy Auditor. We'll walk through the setup process step by step, review the required configuration options, and learn how to create and manage policy audits that help validate segmentation requirements and identify potential policy issues. Let's begin in the Check Point portal where Policy Auditor is managed. To access the Policy Auditor, open Management and Smart One Cloud under the Hybrid Mesh Networks pillar, and open the Management by clicking Open button. Next, click on Policy Auditor under Access Control. From here, administrators can access existing audit configurations, review previously created audits, and create new audit profiles based on their organization's security and compliance requirements. To create a new audit, click the Create Guideline button. Each audit requires a descriptive name that clearly identifies its purpose. This helps simplify management when multiple audits are used across different environments, business units, or compliance frameworks. In the General tab, define the relevant network groups that participate in the segmentation model. These groups represent the different environments, applications, or business zones that will be evaluated during the audit. With the groups in place, we can begin building the segmentation matrix. The matrix defines which communications are expected and permitted between segments and serves as the foundation for the audit validation process. In the Assign To tab, select the security policy package that will be evaluated. Policy Auditor analyzes the selected policy and compares its implementation against the segmentation requirements that we define throughout the configuration process. Click OK to finish the configuration. Once the segmentation requirements have been defined, review the metrics to ensure that all communication paths accurately reflect the intended security architecture before proceeding with the audit. With the configuration complete, publish the audit and initiate the analysis process by clicking on the Calculate button. Policy Auditor evaluates the selected policy package against the defined segmentation model and begins generating audit results. After processing is complete, the audit becomes available for review. The generated configuration provides a structured view of the segmentation requirements that will be used during policy validation and compliance analysis. To modify an existing audit configuration, click Edit. From here, administrators can update the assigned policy package, add new groups, and remove existing groups as requirements evolve. After making any changes, publish the configuration and recalculate the metrics to ensure the audit results reflect the updated settings. If the audit configuration is no longer required, select the three-dot menu and choose Delete to permanently remove the audit and its associated configuration. That completes the configuration process for Policy Auditor. Join us in the next episode, where we'll examine the audit results and learn how Policy Auditor identifies policy violations, validates segmentation enforcement, and helps administrators improve policy compliance. For more information, follow us on our YouTube channel, Check Point Central. Thank you for watching.